Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your artwork is 300 dpi RGB and size to the magazine dimensions. This prevents blur or color shifts. Open the PSD mockup and make sure layers, properties, and smart objects panels are visible so you can access replacements quickly. Now double-click the smart object layer that represents the cover or spread. This opens the embedded file. Replace or paste your design, align edges, and save the smart object. Once done, return to the mockup to see your design applied in context. Once your design is placed, you need to match perspective and surface feel for realism. Use Edit Transform and choose Distort or Perspective to nudge corners into the page planes. Make sure to sample existing folds and edges as guides. Then adjust layer blend modes like Multiply or Overlay and tweak opacity to integrate inks with paper texture. This is why mockups include texture and gloss layers. Finally, tweak displacement maps and shadow layers so cast shadows and highlights follow the scene lighting. That keeps the To finish, enable any high-res textures and flatten or keep layers depending on delivery needs. Then export as PNG, JPEG, or a layered PSD for review. At 100% zoom, scan for artifacts, moire, or edge haloing. Use smart filters, healing brush, or clone stamp to correct issues. If you notice color shifts, switch to sRGB or use view-proof colors to simulate output and adjust with curves. One quick troubleshooting tip. If the smart object looks off, reopen and resave it. That usually refreshes transforms and blend results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.